We love the look of vintage film cameras, and we're passionate about the concept of creating a camera with a vintage steampunk-inspired design, which is still easy to use so that even an inexperienced photographer can get great results. We went through an extensive process to design the Jollylook Auto, from initial sketches to full computer-aided design. Along the way, there were many iterations and prototypes until we achieved a harmonious combination of form and function. We used a laminated wood fiber biodegradable material for the body. Combining a classic design with environmentally friendly materials and modern electronics, we achieved a result that delivers great images and that anyone will enjoy using. The camera takes readily available Fujifilm Instax mini film. Focusing on the Jollylook Auto is easy, and the detailed scale provides precise adjustment for sharper photos. That's how you'll feel as a master of photography. By adjusting the aperture value, you can take images in different light levels, and the shutter speed will be adjusted automatically. You can take pictures through the pinhole. You can use the integrated polarizing filter. The flash can be switched on and off as desired, and automatic exposure makes it easy to shoot while leaving you to enjoy the results. The camera has a built-in rechargeable battery and a standard tripod mount. The striking vintage design is guaranteed to attract attention. With automatic exposure, the camera is able to be confidently used by photographers of all ages and skill levels. We achieved a result that delivers great images. It's a great gift and a stylish camera. Enjoy!